Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host Mustaq Sharif. Today we are exploring a city called Sompeta. Sompeta comes under the jurisdiction of Srikakulam district of Andhra Pradesh. If you guys are new to this place, not to worry, we'll explore together. Let the bus move. Are you guys ready? Then what are you waiting for? Let the video begins. Come. Sompeta is a small town near to Ichchapuram and Odisha border town Berhampur. It is a mandal headquarters among other three mandal headquarters like Kanchili, Kaviti and Ichchapuram. It is a very beautiful town with lot of statues and arch on the roadside. It is a commercial hub for nearby villagers for buying and selling their products. At the same time, they very often visit here for medical facilities too, and students come here on daily basis for schools and colleges. The city is well connected with road and rail services, although it is 3 km diversion from National Highway number 16. The railway station Sompeta is situated nearly 5 km away in a small town called Kanchili. All passenger trains are halt here except few superfast trains. Sompeta is famous for Suppulu, Segadalu, Jantikililu and Apadalu. Apadalu means papad. I have seen few locals are preparing all these in their home as a livelihood. If you have experience, if train halts here in Sompeta, you will find these items are readily available by local vendors. It starts from Palasa, goes on to Sompeta and ends in Ichchapuram. You will get kaju in similar fashion on affordable rates, but exercise caution, you need to check before buying. There are number of good educational institutes are available in our Sompeta. The literacy rate of this place is 76%, which is quite higher than the average national literacy rate. Isn't that amazing? Cinema is the main source of entertainment for we South Indians. Small town like Sompeta, we have more cinema halls compared to the population of this place. But most of the time, it is houseful. You need to buy ticket in advance. Sompeta has 3-number masjid and few churches, and you will find any number of temples and devasthalam in every street and corner. They are quite big and marvelously built. The famous eye hospital on your screen. Once upon a time in olden days, mostly all patients used to visit here not only from Srikakulam district, from other places too for eye treatment. But now, good hospital facilities are available in their respective areas, but still it is serving to the mankind. The statues of the famous freedom fighters and the political leaders are placed in different locations to encourage and educate to our new generation about them. Please help me by writing lesser known personalities and their achievement in comment box, because me and others can be benefited who cannot read Telugu. Locals of this place are very loyal and honest. Nearby villages are dependent on agriculture. They are mostly farmers. Rice is the main crop. Apart from rice, all kind of seasonal vegetables and fruits they produce throughout the year. So you will find rates are quite reasonable and quality and variety also quite good compared to the other cities. The population of Sompeta is nearly 19,000 as per the census of 2011, but now it might have increased since it was 10 years old data. A local resident, namely Mr. Chandu, a railway employee of Barua, requested me to mention a traffic problem of the main market area. He was telling the roads are very narrow. On peak hours, it is too difficult to commuters to cross reach the destination on time. Not only for employees, but for school children and medical emergency cases too. So, he requested if roads can be widened, it will be benefited to most of the residents of Sompeta. The temples of Sompeta across the town are so beautiful. I don't know the names of each temple. If anyone knows, can mention in comment box please. It is my humble request. Again, I have been told yearly jatras and sambarams are being organized on a mass scale. Definitely, I would like to attend those in future. For Sompeta and other nearby villages, Barwa beach is the most happening place for picnics and get-togethers. Okay guys, I tried my level best to make this video better. I don't know how much success I got. I am Mustaq Sharif signing off from Sompeta. We'll meet definitely in next video somewhere in some good place. Till then, bye bye. Please take care.